What separates the ordinary from the extraordinary? Focus. The ability to channel your mind like a laser beam, cutting through distractions, doubts, and limitations. Every legendary anime hero trains this power, and today, you will too. But first, let's be real. How often do you find yourself scrolling mindlessly when you should be working? Forgetting what you were doing just moments ago? Feeling overwhelmed by the chaos in your mind? This isn't just about productivity. This is about reclaiming control of your mind. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn 5 battle-tested techniques used by elite warriors, genius detectives, and legendary heroes, adapted for your life. Every master starts with the breath. In Demon Slayer, Tanjiro uses total concentration breathing to enhance his physical and mental power. But this isn't just anime fantasy. Science proves controlled breathing reduces stress hormones by up to 40%. Deep dive. The 4-7-8 method. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 7, exhale 8. Box breathing 4-4-4-4 for high-pressure situations. Morning breath routine, 3 minutes to start your day right. Interactive challenge. Pause right now. Let's do this together. Sit up straight. Place one hand on your chest, one on your stomach. Take 5 rounds of 4-7-8 breathing. Notice how your mind already feels clearer. Multitasking is a lie. Your brain can't truly focus on multiple things. It just switches rapidly, draining your energy. Stanford research shows chronic multitaskers perform worse on cognitive tests. Deep dive. The Pomodoro technique, 25-minute focused bursts, digital minimalism, app blockers, notification silencing, environment design, creating a distraction-free zone. Personal story. When I was in college, I tried studying with 10 tabs open, music playing, and my phone buzzing. My grades reflected that chaos. Then I tried Shikamaru's approach, single-minded focus. My next exam, 98%. Interactive challenge. Your mission. Choose one important task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Eliminate all distractions, phone on airplane mode. Comment below what you'll focus on first. Mindfulness isn't just meditation, it's active awareness. Sherlock Holmes notices what others overlook. In anime, the greatest strategists win battles by observing patterns first. Deep dive. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Peripheral awareness training, daily observation journal. Real world. Application. Try this right now. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 emotion you feel. This instantly brings you into the present moment. Even warriors need to reset. Navy SEALs use a similar technique called box breathing to stay calm in combat. When your mind is scattered, this is your emergency protocol. Deep dive. The 10-second reset for immediate distractions. The hourly check-in, mini mindfulness breaks. The mental delete button, visualizing thought release. Interactive challenge. Next time you get distracted, freeze. Take 1 deep breath. Say reset out loud. Refocus. Try it now with me. Consistency transforms practice into mastery. Just 5 minutes daily of mindfulness can restructure your brain in 8 weeks. Harvard study. The key? Making it non-negotiable. Deep dive. The morning mindfulness routine. The evening reflection practice progress tracking system. Success story. A viewer messaged me after doing 5 minutes daily for a month. I went from forgetting why I walked into rooms to completing my first novel draft. Small steps create legendary results. The power is yours now, But heroes aren't made by watching. They're made by doing. Your three-part mission. 1, comment. Your number 1 focus goal below. 2, share this with someone who needs it. 3, subscribe for part 2. Advanced mind training.